Good day, One Coders, and once again, welcome back to One Code Count. Today, let's talk about logical expressions and assignment operators. I hate to keep you waiting, so let's get started. Today, we're going to break down some fundamental concepts in programming, logical expressions, and assignment operators. Let me give you a quick overview of logical expressions and assignment operators. First up, logical expressions. These are conditions that evaluate to either true or false. Logical expressions are crucial for decision-making in your programs, while the assignment operators are used to assign values to variables, and they come in various forms to make our coding more efficient. To further understand these concepts, let's see them in action with some code. Follow along with me. First, let's start by renaming our previous app.js file to comparisonOperators.js. First, let us create a new file called app.js. Start with logical expressions. Logical expressions allow us to combine multiple comparison operations. First, to demonstrate this, let us start with the AND operator. First operator, we will use double ampersands. First, for this demonstration, let us create two let variables. First, let us create a variable sunny that is equal to true. Then, let's create a variable warm. Let us assign true for this one as well. Already have our variables set up. Sun is true and warm is false. Let's see what happens when we use the AND operator by using console. Let us just print a message. Is it sunny and warm? Then let us perform the operator after. First, this statement will output to true. Why? Because the AND operator in JavaScript evaluates to true only if both operands are true. Here, both sunny and warm are true, so the overall result is true. First, it's important to remember that for the AND operator, all conditions must be true to yield a true result. First. Now let's explore the OR operator, which uses the pipe symbol. We'll check if it's either sunny or warm. Using our console, let's test this out. Let's see what happens when we apply the OR operator to sunny or warm. First, let us also print a message here, sunny or warm. First is then followed by comma. First, after the comma separator, let us type here sunny or warm. First statement will output to true. First, because the OR operator in JavaScript evaluates to true if at least one of the operands is true. The overall result is true because the OR operator evaluates to true if at least one of the operands is true. That is why, even if I change one of this variable to false, it will still result to true. First, both of these variables are false, then the result will be false. Now let's move to NOT operator to check the opposite of our conditions. The NOT operator in JavaScript is used to negate a Boolean value using the exclamation symbol. First, see what happens when we apply the NOT operator. First, 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 first. Exclamation mark Sunny will be true because the boolean Sunny is false. Now let's try to use it on the variable warm as well. First, 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 first. Output will be true as well because the value inside the boolean warm is false. First, to demonstrate this, let us change the warm to true and see if what will happen. First, negated that, and the new output is now false. And that's it for the logical operators. Understanding these will help you write more powerful and flexible conditions in your code. Now, let's dive into assignment expressions. These operators are used to perform arithmetic operations and assign the result back to a variable. We'll start with two variables. A is initialized to 10 and B to 5. First, apply different assignment operators and see how they modify the variable A. First, let's explore the plus equal assignment operator. This operator adds the value of B to A and assigns the result back to A. First expression uses plus equal symbol as operator. Let's check the updated value of variable A in the console. First, let's just pass here the variable A. This will result to 15. This operation updates A to reflect the addition of B. This is useful when you need to increment a value based on another variable. First equivalent to A is equal to A plus B. First let's proceed to minus equal expression. First the symbol or operator that we will use is minus and equal sign. First we'll subtract B from A, bringing it back to 10. First the updated value of A in the console. First A is updated again to show the subtraction of B. This is handy for decreasing a value based on another variable. This is equivalent to A is equal to A minus B. Let's now use the multiplication equal expression or operator. First uses the symbol asterisk and equal symbol. First let's demonstrate this expression using the console. First type A, space asterisk and equal sign followed by space and B. First, let's log this expression using the console. First, time our expression is equivalent to A equals to A multiplied by B. First. This expression multiplies A by B, giving us 50. This modifies A by multiplying its current value with B. It's useful when you need to scale a value by a factor. First, let us move to our last expression for this video, the division equal expression. First, this time we will use forward slash and equal symbol for our expression. First. Then to perform this operation, we will use our variable a and b again. Let us type a followed by space slash equal and another space. Then finally b. Looks like there is an error. Let us retype that once again. First. The final step, let us log this on our console. First. This time our expression is equivalent to A equals A divided by B. First, this results to 10 because this operator divides the value of B to A and assigns the result back to A. This expression is especially helpful in various scenarios where you need to normalize a value, which means adjusting it to fit within a particular range or scale. First, for example, if you have a total score and want to find the average score per item, you would use division to calculate this average. First, these assignment operators are powerful tools in JavaScript for modifying variables based on arithmetic operations. They make your code more concise and readable. First, and if we compare them to their longer expression equivalents, they look more professional and the code looks cleaner. First, that brings us to the end of today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and now have a better understanding of logical expressions and assignment operators in JavaScript. Once again, this is Ron, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We have a lot more exciting content coming your way. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!